Here's the reason why you always need an LG refrigerator. The reason why you always need an LG refrigerator is because this part of the refrigerator does not have that much space. This part of the refrigerator, where you put a lot of glasses or anything else in the refrigerator, I think, I wouldn't recommend it. But let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll help you determine why you would need a better refrigerator. And I think that the freezer does not have enough space at all. The freezer is not meant to have enough space. And that beeping sound is really annoying. So I think you would get an LG refrigerator that beeps less. And I still say that this is the main part of the refrigerator that doesn't have enough space, so I think it's very problematic. I know a lot of people disagree with me, and that's okay, but you still need to only buy LG refrigerators.